Close your eyes and imagine yourself stepping from the narrow track onto a hidden path. The ground beneath your boots crunching with the fine pink gravel of glacial silt. Each step connects you to a world shaped long before the first cities by the slow, patient hands of ice and time. The air is crisp, tinged with the faint memory of snow, and as you breathe in, you feel the coolness settle deep in your chest. A gentle sound reaches your ears, the burbling, glassy murmur of a mountain stream. This water began its journey high above, each drop once a snowflake drifting onto the Eiger's formidable north face, now gathering in a lively dance across polished stones. The stream whispers as you approach, carrying mountain secrets and a promise of renewal to your tired feet. You pause, standing at the stream's edge. The sun is low, casting soft gold across the slopes, illuminating patches of wildflowers that sway gently in the alpine breeze. You listen. The bubble and rush of water becomes an invitation, an ASMR lullaby that soothes the static of a busy mind. The world narrows to the delicate interplay of sound and sensation, the distant echo of melting glacier runoff, the faintest tremor of cold water as it teases your fingertips. You feel the tension in your shoulders begin to melt, carried away on the current. A light wind stirs, bringing with it the clean scent of moss and stone. You follow the stream, letting its path guide you through a small meadow. Here, the grass is thick and lush, dotted with blue gentians and delicate edelweiss. You brush your hand against the petals, feeling their cool, soft resistance. Above you, a golden eagle's shadow glides silently across your eyelids, the great bird circling high on a thermal, surveying the world below. The sky is impossibly blue, unbroken, save for the distant white crown of the Jungfrau. As you settle into the meadow, the sounds change. The gentle rustle of wildflowers mixes with the curious whistle of a marmot hidden among the rocks. Somewhere higher up, the sharp call of an alpine chough rings out, clear, wild, and free. You hear the faint, melodic tinkling of cowbells drifting from a distant slope, each note a reminder of simple, enduring rhythms. The air is rich with the aroma of damp granite and earth, and pause, breathe deeply, an unexpected hint of chocolate. Somewhere below, in a quiet village, a chocolatier has begun his morning melt, and the scent winds its way up the mountain, warm and comforting. You lie back, feeling the cool grass beneath your body, letting gravity ground you, connecting you to the ancient bones of the Alps. Time slows. The stream's song weaves through the meadow, a silver thread binding sky, stone, and earth. The sun's warmth seeps into your skin. Each inhalation brings clarity, each exhalation release. It's as if the mountains themselves are breathing with you, their vastness a gentle reassurance. Let your thoughts drift with the current. Notice how the stream's endless song, water gliding over pebble and moss, loops softly, soothing your nervous system, rewriting the static of daily stress with nature's own melody. The binaural rhythm of water, pulsing with a subtle 7/8 theta wave, invites the mind to slip into a state of deep relaxation. The distant cowbells fade in and out, a lullaby for grown-ups, marking time in a place where clocks are irrelevant and only the sun's arc matters. The world grows quieter. The chatter of thoughts slows to a tranquil hum. With each passing moment, you feel heavier, more at ease, as if the mountains are drawing tension from your body and replacing it with peace. The subtle interplay of water, wind, and wildlife is a tapestry of calm, stitched together by the oldest lullaby on earth. Imagine the water below the surface, cold, ancient, unhurried. It has seen the centuries pass, carving valleys, feeding meadows, sustaining life. The stream knows the patience of stone, the wisdom of silence. Its cool embrace invites you to let go of all that you carry, the worries, the deadlines, the noise. Here in this alpine sanctuary, you are safe. The mountains have stood for millennia, and tonight they stand watch for you. Let each breath carry you deeper. The stream's voice is softer now, wrapping you in comfort. The melody of Edelweiss lullaby drifts through the meadow, its gentle notes blending with the water's hush. The sun's last rays slip behind the peaks, and the sky deepens to indigo. Stars begin to appear, scattered like wildflowers against the night. You feel your body relax, each muscle unwinding, every worry dissolving into the stream's flow. The cowbells sing their final notes, distant and soft, a farewell to the day. The earth is cool and solid beneath you, the air sweet and fresh. You are held here between sky and stone by the serenity of the Alps. Allow yourself to drift, a leaf carried by the stream, a thought slipping gently into silence. The mountains will keep you safe, their ancient presence a promise. As you slip toward sleep, the world narrows to the soothing rush of water, the fading chimes of the bells, and the steady, reassuring beat of your own heart. Let go. Let the stream carry you into rest. The night is gentle, the mountains eternal, and you, like the water, are free to dream.